What's good, everyone? So, me and KJ, we about to go hit the gym. We're gonna do some Muay Thai.
We had nothing else going on today, so we just decided to spend some quality time with each other. See how it goes.
Like father, like son. Unfortunately, we don't have a challenger to go into anymore because my other loving son ended up crashing my shit. But
Now I'm the favorite son, right?
now you're the favorite son. Don't tell nobody I said that. Let's get to the gym. Right now, we're about to head over to Crunch Fitness. They got a whole bunch of bags over there and stuff, so I'm gonna be kicking shit and learning some of the stuff that KJ's been going to Muay Thai over at King's Muay Thai Gym here in Port St. Lucie. If you guys want to go there, it's a really good gym, just so you know. So we're gonna implement some of the things that he's been learning, and I don't know, just get him acclimated into doing the Muay Thai stuff still.
We're just trying to do drills together so we could learn off of each other. Other than that, we're probably gonna do a little bit of weightlifting in this workout. We don't know yet.
No, I'll probably do some weight drills.
You do some weight drills?
Yeah, I was looking at some Muay Thai weight drills, so yeah, we'll do that.
Maybe we'll get like the straps.
The straps. You want to get the strap, yo?
Get the straps so we could get the punch.
The strap. Get the straps so we can take out the trash.
Yep.
Damn. Alright, so we're gonna start off with this little jumpy right here. And this thing right here is gonna teach us, actually we're gonna start off with jump rope, but then after that we're gonna jump to this. We're gonna do some boxing drills, and we're gonna get our bodies ready for, you know, I gotta teach KJ how to throw a jab, how to throw a cross, how to throw a hook. So we're gonna do some work on this and, you know, get ourselves ready, and then from this we're gonna do some kicks, do some kick drills, and then move over to the heavy bag and do some work on the heavy bag. So let's get it popping. Alright, we're done. We just kicked ass. Well, we kicked bags, but you know, How you feeling?
We taught those bags a lesson.
All right, we're gonna head home, shower up, and figure out the rest of our day. I know we got a UFC fight to watch later on. Can't wait for that. Rose Namajunas versus Amanda Ribas. What? How you feeling?
I feel like my trip is small compared to the ones outside.
So how you feel about this workout? Come on, boy.
Man, it was great. Definitely learned some techniques. What I really got to work on is my balancing. Really need to work on that. And my lower kicks and my upper kicks. And my hooks, apparently. Need to work on everything.
He throws
under the sun.
He throws uppercuts instead of hooks. But, all right, we're gonna get dressed, head home, and we're out of here. So, see you in a minute.
I think it's because I've been practicing uppercuts since you rang my bell that day.
I don't know what you're talking about. All right, y'all. We're back home. About to watch this UFC fight. And let's enjoy the rest of the night. We got our puppies here. Aurora down there. It's about to go down. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Y'all be good, stay focused, and remember, you are amazing.
Peace.